Friends. Do you know the answer?
Yes, sir. And young boy, he studied in M. He
In a
studied
school.
in school, and M. Hamel was his teacher,
Hmm.
and he was belong to
He belonged to
he belonged to
France.
France.
Hmm. Okay. My question to you is, what did Franz notice that was unusual about the school that day?
That day when French went to school, he noticed that place people are sitting beside beside benches
In the back benches.
in the back benches, and H. Hamel dress like dress like for an special occasion,
Hmm.
or that day school students are silent
Were silent.
were silent instead of other days.
I mean, what was he wearing? He was wearing a green coat, crofter. Sorry. Yes. Why did the crofter show the 30 kroner to the peddler?
That said about the 30 kroner
Hmm.
to the peddler.
Hmm.
He saw the crofter that he did not believe
Hmm.
this
The peddler seemed incredulous.
incredulous.
Hmm.
So he mm, so he the crofter
Gave him a proof.
gave him a proof
Hmm.
and saw the 30 kroner.
He showed him 30 kroner. Why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler?
Is so talkative and friendly with the peddler because
Hmm.
the crofter have no wife or a child. He is alone in his house.
Hmm.
So in that time he had a person with he can talk, or who
With who he can share.
his all feelings and emotion.
Hmm.
So he was very talkative with
Okay, so he was very happy that he had found someone from the second book. Why is Antarctica is a place to go and understand and study the past, present, and future of the Earth?
We can see Antarctica is an untouchable place.
Uninterrupted.
So what?
Uninterrupted.
Uninterrupted place.
Hmm.
He was separated from.
It was.
It was separated from the world,
Hmm.
and due to this, the no human activities was done on that place.
Hmm.
So if we go there and study deeply, we can find the past of the earth, how the flora and fauna was when the earth was in its starting periods.
Hmm.
And secondly, we can find the present also, because as we are living in cities, there are lots of human activities like pollution, vehicles, and due to this we can find out the difference between what are the difference between the cities and what are the difference between in the natural habitat of the Antarctica.
Very good.
And the future, and if we talk about the future, we can also find out what are the upcoming disasters that due to human activities they are increasing in pollution, and which can affect our glaciers. They can melt, and due to this, it increase the water level, and the world can sink in
The water.
sink in the water.
Okay, right. The fossils are there in Antarctica. So how can we discover the past of the Earth from those?
In the past, there are lots of floras and faunas in the world, and
In Antarctica, because Antarctica was not the coldest place.
was not the coldest place before. It was a huge mass of the land.
Hmm.
All the continents are
Amalgamated.
continents are consolidated with each other. They are a huge mass of land. There are lots of floras and faunas, and after a million years, when the dinosaurs and ancient plants are dead,
They were in existence.
they were in existence. So after that, when the continents are separating, the ancient animals and plants are also that were buried under the soil. So if we go to Antarctica and study them, we can find out the what are the animals and the plants that exist
That
in
had
the
been
that exist in the earth in million years.
okay, right. William Douglas speaks about.
Douglas one day when he went with his father
Hmm.
in a swimming pool for swimming.
Hmm.
He was curious about learning swimming, so he wake up early in the morning and went to swimming
Went
pool.
to the pool, yes.
Went to the pool
Hmm.
where he did not find anyone,
Hmm.
but suddenly a bruiser boy came
Hmm.
and threw him into the pool,
Hmm.
and the pool was the in which side the bruiser boy
Hmm.
threw the Douglas
Through him
threw him to the pool. It
into the
was
pool.
approx 9 feet
Hmm.
deep,
Hmm.
where he experienced a death near experience,
Near death experience.
and uh, when he was drowning,
He was
he
drowning.
he planned that when his feet touches the
Hmm. Bottom.
bottom, he will make a strong jump and come out like a cock.